It has officially never been easier to be productive, as in your pocket, in your hand, on your desk right now is the largest bank of data that's ever existed on the planet, and it can be synthesized using AI. You can open up ChatGPT right now, ask it any question on the planet, and you can get a curated, intelligent response based on statistics for you and your specific problem. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to utilize AI to improve your productivity with these 5 prompts that I've curated from my exclusive productivity performance plan for you to use in your productive system. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach unproductive people to productivity using the tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life forever. I personally went on a journey from 5,000 hours or 210 days straight playing Call of Duty and other such video games, wasting away any potential I had, to effortlessly and easily breezing through large banks of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. And I didn't start using AI until late into my productive journey, but it skyrocketed the progress I was making in terms of my discipline, drive and output towards the work I was completing. And I want to help you get that same result in this video. So just before we start, one of the most amazing reasons why AI is so useful in your productive journey is when you feed it the information after you input the prompts and it asks you questions and you answer the questions and you come to the conclusion from the prompt I'm going to give you. It will record this data in the chat log you have, and whether you find that creepy or you find that interesting, it's going to be super useful, because then when you feed it further prompts, as I'm going to show you in this video, it will already have the information on your business model, on your career progression, on what you want to achieve in 2025, and it can curate a more intelligent, specified response specifically for you. However, if you're hesitant on having your information harvested or you want a more interpersonal connection, the top link in the description will take you to my exclusive productivity performance package, in which I personally will help you and hold your hand through the trials and tribulations of productivity, because I've been where you are and I'll teach you the way out. So let's start off. So we're going to start off with purpose and passion discovery. The prompt states, what recurring patterns in my interest and past experience indicate a deeper passion in a topic? It's going to ask you, it's going to prompt you, it's going to suggest you to give stories and details from your past. You input this information, it finds a deep internal passion that you might not even have known you're passionate in. And this aligns with your interests. And this unlocking of your potential inner passion that you didn't even know about could help you align your business, your passion, make you more productive, make you more disciplined and driven to complete the work, because it's something you truly desire and you're something you're truly passionate in. So it can be a useful prompt. Prompt number 2, based on successful people in my field, what paths have led them to their position? Again, a super useful prompt, because now instead of trying to replicate the end result of the people you look up to in your field, you're breaking their journey down into actionable steps where you can replicate it to a T to get to the same destination they've achieved. And this again could be super useful for you in your productive journey, because rather than ogling and staring at the end destination that they've reached and the success they've achieved, you have actionable steps to make progress and productive, discipline driven progress towards the destination that you want, which is the success in the field you're in. The next section is triggers and activators for productivity. What are the most effective cognitive triggers for deep focus and motivation? Again, you can find this information online, on my channel, on other people's channels. However, having it synthesized in front of you, dialed down and diluted into the core details of what you can implement into your productive routine can be super useful. Finding out these triggers, finding out these impactors on deep focus and motivation is going to be seriously impactful for you in your productive journey, because quite frankly it's giving you the stepping stones, the actionable steps synthesized down for you to finally make progress in productivity that you never have before. Next up, we have problem identification and solution generation. What are the most common productivity bottlenecks based on my current habits? Again, it'll ask you to fill in your current habits. Be honest, be raw. It's only an AI. It's not going to judge you in any way or shape or form. It's going to identify bottlenecks. It's going to see where you're going wrong and try and guide you onto the path towards productivity and being disciplined in productive, good habits, rather than these things that are taken away from your productive energy and the progression you're making towards the success that you desire deep down. Not only this, it's going to give you solutions. Based on the problems it's identified, it will give you actionable step solutions to fix them. Implementing AI into your productivity system with prompts such as this is super useful, and I wish I started sooner, so definitely take action. And finally, we have personalized productivity tactics. Based on my personality type, what are the best productivity techniques for me? Again, if you don't have access to a deep interpersonal connection where I can analyze how I can help you, what you're doing wrong, what your personality type is, and how and which productivity tactics are going to work specifically for you, this could be the second best approach. This could be another approach that might not work as efficiently, but based on the questions it gives you and the answers you put in, this information will be synthesized down into the best productivity techniques dialed specifically to your archetype, your character type, your chronotype, etc. And I can give you curated productivity tactics that could help you on your journey to becoming disciplined and driven to completing work effectively. So that was it. 5 productivity prompts to ask AI, ask ChatGPT, ask DeepSeek AI to implement artificial intelligence in your productivity system, to not be left behind and have a cost-effective tool in your pocket to create productivity tactics specifically for you. I hope you find it useful. If you're looking to get a more detailed interpersonal connection that can help you turn productive, the top link will take you there. Thank you for watching.